bagel.
Hi everyone, it's good to see you. Are you having fun with this class? Good, I am too. Today we'll learn about bagels. Look at the picture. The bread is called a bagel. A bagel has a hole, like some donuts. Now let's begin. We will study words first.
Boil. When we boil water, the water becomes very hot. Then it changes from liquid to steam. In the picture, you see a large pot of water. It is boiling, so steam is coming up from the pot. Half. A half is one of two equal parts. The picture shows a full lemon and half of a lemon. The arrow points to the half. It is cut in half.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Half. Boil.
It's time to read a story. After that, you will take a quiz.
Do you know what a bagel is? A bagel is round-shaped bread. It has a hole inside the bread. A bagel is chewy. It is boiled in water for a short time. Then it is baked. That's why it is chewy. We usually eat a bagel by cutting it in half. We spread cream cheese, jam, or other things on each half. We also eat a bagel as sandwich bread.
Why is a bagel chewy? We bake it first and then boil it. We boil it first and then bake it. What is true about a bagel? It has a hole in the middle. We usually eat 2 bagels at once.
We put spread on a bagel. What spread would you put on your bagel? I like cream cheese the most. That's all for now. See you next class. Goodbye.